Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how and where to check RAM memory in our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To check our RAM, we have to go to the settings options. Next we need to scroll all the way down to the about phone section right here. We tap it once, and next we have all the parameters, specifications of our phone here. Our RAM option is here. We have 8 GB RAM. Quite easy to find. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.